This is your home. This is your family. You love your home, but you really love your family.
Leave me alone!
Most of the time. There are a lot of home security systems out there, but why buy a system that can't even arm itself if you forget to? That's just one of the many reasons to Almond Guard your house. Almond Guard offers innovative 360-degree protection for your house and protects your family from unwanted intruders who want to borrow the things you treasure forever. They want to hack into your devices and steal your data. That's why you need Almond Guard, which packs home security, cybersecurity, smart home, and mesh Wi-Fi into a single, robust system. It's all controlled by a smart hub with a touchscreen that's really easy to use. First, set up the hub using its easy touchscreen. Download the Almond app on your smartphone. Place your sensors where you like, and you're done. Almond Guard is really smart. Almond Guard detects your smartphone's Wi-Fi signals and uses that information intelligently. When everyone is out, it automatically arms the system. And when someone is back home, it disarms the system. Almond Guard is the only integrated home security solution that stops digital intruders. So what's private, stays private. Going on holiday for a few days, you can set Almond Guard to control lights and other smart devices on a schedule, so no one will think that you're gone. It can also connect to Alexa, Nest, Hue, and many other smart devices. Our Smart Hub can be used to create a mesh Wi-Fi system. Just add a couple of Almond hubs to cover the house, backyard, and even the pool with blazing fast Wi-Fi. Now, you are probably thinking that with all these cool features and technology, Almond Guard must be really expensive, right? Wrong. We're less than half the price of our competitors. You can self-monitor your home with your smartphone for free. Or you can try our police response and intruder alert service. If you join our Indiegogo campaign, it will cost you just $10 a month. No complicated and long contract and no hidden small print. Just $10. With a monthly plan, you can cancel anytime. We at Securify have already sold hundreds of thousands of Almond devices. People love our products. So do techies and the press. We deliver a lot more value for a lot less money. Protect what really counts, your family and your home, with innovative technology from Almond Guard.
The home security yard sign. This $10 gem sends a clear signal to any would-be criminal that this house is not to be messed with. Forget your dog. Forget the t-ball bat you put under your bed. You just signed a 3-year contract on a bunch of outdated equipment to get this piece of crime-fighting plastic. But it doesn't have to be this way. Take a look at Scout. It's a brand new personalized approach to home security. Scout costs hundreds of dollars less, doesn't require a monthly contract, and has the latest in home security technology. Don't worry, he can't understand us. Scout connects wirelessly to your computer, smartphone, and other devices, allowing you to customize your response to a break-in. You can turn on lights, open the garage door, call the police, or whatever you can dream up. You can buy 1 unit or 10. There are no packages or rules dictating how you can use your Scout. The system is even transferable from house to house. On top of all that, Scout has a modern and sleek design with customizable finishes. Instead of an eyesore in every room, you have something that someone might actually think looks cool. I mean, it's basic stuff. Here you go, buddy. In the future, we'll alert you before an intruder enters your room. And until then, we've got a yard sign too. Take that, caveman.
Bye, Mr. Pickles. Watch the house.
Yeah, Stacy, I'll get right on that. Ever since we got UMA Home Security, I've been able to take some well-deserved R&R. It's hard to compete with UMA's 24/7 protection for every part of the house. Plus, UMA is so easy to set up, they just did it themselves, which is great because I can't be doing everything around here. And there's no need to pay outrageous monitoring fees or sign any contracts, which makes UMA a lot less expensive than those other big-name brands. I mean, why spend lots of money on home security when they can spend it on the things that really matter? Plus, unlike an old dog, UMA can learn new tricks. They just set it up the way they want and activate different modes for when they're away or if they've turned in for the night. They can monitor the house and review logs, and UMA is always on guard. So if something funny's going on, they'll be notified through the app, by text, by email, or by phone call. And UMA is the only home monitoring system that actually calls them in the event of an emergency, giving them the option to trigger 911 remotely from anywhere. That's really putting in some extra effort if you ask me. UMA can even automatically turn on cameras when activity is detected and set them up to recognize familiar faces, like this handsome mug here. Alerts will also notify them of water leaks, broken pipes, and other water-related emergencies. UMA's geofencing feature automatically arms or disarms the system when their cell phones get within range, so there are no false alarms. Nothing worse than getting all riled up over nothing.
Hey, buddy. Guard the house today?
Oh yeah, it was exhausting. UMA Home Security and Monitoring. Security that never sleeps.
Introducing Clever Loop. Protect the people, places, and things you love with the next generation of smart home security. Easy to install, easy to use. Clever Loop, an evolution in smart home security. Stay connected by viewing live video footage from your phone or tablet. You'll receive instant alerts should anything unusual happen. Using the next generation of computer vision technology, Clever Loop will only alert you to the most important events and learns about what it sees. The video analysis is done privately on your personal system. You can store video clips on an SD card and record continuous footage to an external hard drive. Plus, you have the option to save important events securely on the cloud for no monthly fee. Set Clever Loop to know when you're home using geofencing or to be inactive at certain times. You can connect multiple cameras for a complete view from the palm of your hand in all weather, day and night. Peppy. Clever Loop. Smart home security evolved.
We believe that home security should be easy, intelligent, and affordable for everybody. With this in mind, we developed Flare, a complete home security system in a single device, powered by artificial intelligence. Flare protects you and your home all by itself. Designed to be discreet, intelligent, and easy to use, we made a video to show you that Flare is the right fit for every home.